Why does my air conditioner smell? Aire Serv's tips and tricks for the fix. As the warmer weather arrives in southwest Connecticut and your AC kicks into high gear, you might notice something off. A funky smell coming from your vents isn't just unpleasant, it can signal underlying issues. At Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut, we're here to help you identify and eliminate those AC odors, ensuring your home stays cool and fresh. Why does my AC smell bad? Several factors can contribute to unpleasant AC odors. Mold and mildew. The fluctuating humidity in southwest Connecticut can create damp environments around your AC's evaporator coil or drain pan, perfect for mold and mildew growth, leading to a musty, earthy smell. Dirty air filters. Clogged filters trap dust, debris, and allergens, which can emit a stale or dirty odor. Bacteria growth. Condensation in the drain line can lead to bacterial growth, producing a sour or vinegar-like smell. Burning smells. Electrical issues or overheating components can cause a burning smell, which is a serious safety concern. Animal intrusion. Small animals or pests can get trapped in your ductwork or AC unit, leading to foul odors. Leaking refrigerant. Although less common, a refrigerant leak can produce a sweet chemical smell. How to troubleshoot. AC smells. Check your air filter. Replace it if it's dirty or clogged. This is the simplest and often most effective solution. Inspect the drain pan and line. Look for standing water or signs of mold. Clean the pan and drain line with a bleach and water solution. Examine the evaporator coil. If you see visible mold or dirt, clean the coil with a specialized coil cleaner. Look for signs of pests. Check your ductwork and AC unit for signs of animal intrusion. Listen for unusual noises. If you hear grinding, squealing, or other abnormal sounds, it could indicate a mechanical issue. When to call Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut? Burning smells. These require immediate professional attention. Persistent odors. If cleaning doesn't eliminate the smell, there's likely a deeper issue. Refrigerant leaks. These require specialized equipment and expertise. Unusual noises. These can indicate serious mechanical problems. Mold issues, especially if it is excessive. Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut can help you breathe easier. At Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut, we're committed to ensuring your indoor air is clean and fresh. We can identify and eliminate the source of AC odors, clean and sanitize your AC system and ductwork, replace damaged components, improve your indoor air quality with specialized solutions. Don't let bad smells ruin your comfort. If your AC is emitting unpleasant odors, don't wait. Contact Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut at 20363544413 to schedule an AC inspection and cleaning. This article is intended for general guidance only and may not be applicable to every situation. You are responsible for determining the proper course of action for your property and your situation. Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut is not responsible for any damages that occur as a result of any advice or guidance derived from blog content. For the most accurate guidance, contact Aire Serv of Southwest Connecticut at 20363544413 for more information and a professional on-site assessment.